Hey there! In this video, we'll explore Vela's bulk editor. This tool allows you to edit multiple listings simultaneously, saving time, maintaining consistency across your shop, and freeing you up to enjoy the fun parts of running your business. Let's begin on the main listings page. Here you can select the listings you want to edit. You have the option to check the boxes individually, select all listings on a page, or all listings in your shop. For now, we'll edit all of our jewelry listings by choosing the category here and then selecting all listings in that category. With our listings chosen, we'll proceed by clicking the Edit button. Welcome to the bulk editor. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see this list of sections. Click in and you'll see all the listing fields you can edit in bulk. To start editing, just click into a section and select the field you'd like to edit. On the right, you'll find the main workspace displaying all your selected listings across the pages you've included. For this demo, we're editing within an Etsy shop, so some elements are specific to that platform. The platform your shop is linked to will determine which elements are shown in this menu. Let's try a couple of quick edits to see bulk editing in action. We'll start by updating the holiday attribute for all these listings to Christmas. Once we click Apply, you'll see this change reflected across every selected listing, not just on this page, but across all pages. Now let's bulk edit our prices by clicking into Inventory and then Prices. It's time to keep up with rising supply costs and price at the premium level our items deserve. We'll increase prices by 30%. This change will be applied to every checked listing. Let's talk about this Profiles bar. Profiles are reusable templates you can create containing groups of listing data like variations, details, shipping, return policies, and more. Instead of entering those fields manually for listings with lots in common, you can apply a profile, even in bulk here, and any included fields will drop in all at once, streamlining your updates and creating a link that saves you time in the future. Future edits can be made in the profile directly, and any connected listings will reflect the updates. We cover more about profiles in a dedicated video. When you view the bulk edit screen for titles, descriptions, and other key fields, you'll notice these quality scores at right. You can hover over the score to learn more about how it was generated. Wherever there's a grade, there's also a magic wand icon, indicating where you can use AI to automatically optimize content and improve your score. Let's improve the scores for these titles. Check out our video on scoring and AI for more about all the ways Vela's AI tools can transform your selling experience. The important thing to remember is that bulk edits affect all selected listings across all pages, unless specifically unchecked. Even in bulk edit mode, you aren't restricted. You can still make individual changes. For instance, let's modify the description for just one product. This change will only impact the selected listing. The others remain as they were. When editing individually from this screen, you don't need to click Apply. Simply sync when you're ready. But when you're making bulk updates by editing globally from the top bar, the first step is to hit Apply. This saves your changes in Vela. In the left-hand menu, green indicator dots will appear next to a section after you've applied changes. These dots remind you that your updates are saved but need one more step to appear in your shop, syncing to your sales channel. It's crucial to remember that once you sync changes to your shop, there's no undo or revert function. Therefore, it's wise to quickly review your changes to ensure they're correct before selecting sync updates. For this step, you have options. You can schedule your updates to go live at a specific time, like midnight for a sale kickoff. We'll delve into scheduling in another video, but it's a fantastic way to plan ahead. Some Vela users prefer syncing as soon as changes are applied to each section, while others wait to apply updates across multiple sections before syncing all at once. The choice is yours. Now, we'll click Sync Updates, and a progress bar will appear at the top of the screen, showing how many listings have been updated. Once the progress bar is complete, your changes are live in your shop. And there you have it, the bulk editor in a nutshell. Select your listings, choose the attributes to edit, apply your changes, and sync them to your shop. For more detailed information on profiles, AI, and other features, be sure to check out the other videos in this series available in our Help Center.